Hello friends, I hope you are doing very good in your life and preparation for the exam is going on. So today we will start with a new chapter, that is thermodynamics. First let me start the chapter. I would like to say you that please like and subscribe my channel for the new chemistry videos, so I can uh, make more videos and help you to give more information about the chemistry. Okay, so we will start today the chemistry preparation of thermodynamics. Okay, so we will make it crystal clear today. Thermo, you can say thermo means heat. Thermo means heat and dynamics means changes. Okay, okay, where changes happens, heat changes happen. You can see this in diagram. From hot it is getting cold, heat flow is there, so heat changes are there. So the branch of physical chemistry that deals with the study of heat and its conversions, heat conversions are taking place, that is known as thermodynamics, and it gives the relation between heat, work and energy. Clear? In the chemistry we will learn about the chemical thermodynamics, because in chemical reactions are there, so there is a breakage of bond and the formation of bond is there. So in the breakage of bond, energy is least, and in the formation of bond, energy is absorbed. Okay, so this chemical reactions all is about the chemical thermodynamics. So that is what is the scope of chemical thermodynamics. Let me discuss with you. So scope of chemical thermodynamics, why we study chemical thermodynamics and what are the limitations of it. So first of all, it gives about the uh, structure of properties of matter. It tells about the properties of matter. Clear? Second one, uh, the reaction is possible. It tells about the feasibility of reaction, whether the reaction happens or not. If it happens, in which extent does it happen, at which extent this is happen extent it will happen. So three things you have to remember about the scope of thermodynamics. Properties of matter, it will tell about that feasibility of reaction, whether the reaction is happening or not, and to which reaction, if the reaction is happening, and what is the extent of the reaction. Okay, so this is the basic part of thermodynamics. Okay, next we're moving on to the basic system and surrounding. You can see that here system and surrounding, the two parts are there. System means the part which is under observation. You can see in that this diagram, this is the cup of tea which is under observation, which is under the study, that is known as system. Okay, what changes it taking place, that is known as a system. And another what the table, the plate on which the cup is held, it is the surroundings. Okay, then system and surrounding both will make universe. You can say the thermodynamic system refers to that part of universe in which observation are made, on which studies are made, that is known as system, and the remaining part will be the surrounding. Then the universe together make system and surrounding. Clear? Next part, we can say what are the type of system. Type of system are three types of system are there: open system, closed system, and isolated system. Open system, you can say that it can have exchange of both energy and matter. Energy and matter in open system. Okay, example, consider a beaker. In the presence of reactant in an open beaker, here the boundary is an imaginary surface enclosing the beaker and reactant. We can take energy as well as matter in that beaker, so exchange is taken place. That is the open system. Next example, a steam of turbine, a pool filled with water, where the water can be enter or leave the pool. Water can enter or leave the pool, matter can enter, and heat energy can also exchange. That is the open system. Next is the closed system, you can say. This is the example of open system in which energy transfer is also taking place and mass transfer also taking place. This is the open system. In closed system, only energy transfer is taking place, no matter transfer can take place. Okay. So the examples are, in a closed vessel, you can say steel, copper, silver. Ideal example of closed system. These are the examples, all example of closed system. Okay. And the next is the isolated system, in which both energy and matter cannot exchange. Both energy and matter not exchange. Okay, this is the three types of system, we can say: open, closed, and isolated system. You can say the example of isolated system is the thermos flask, which we can take a tea, and neither matter can exchange nor energy can exchange. Now the next part is thermodynamic process. Thermodynamics process, certain processes that bring change in state of system, like temperature, we can say, like pressure, like volume, that you can say that volume is also there. These three can change the state of system, so they are known as thermodynamic process. There are three thermodynamic process: isothermal process, in which temperature remains constant. Okay, in isochoric, volume remains constant. In isobaric, pressure remains constant. And in adiabatic process, no heat transfer between system and surrounding. There is no heat transfer between system and surrounding because there is a boundary. Okay, so there is no heat transfer between system and surrounding. That is known as adiabatic process. The wall separating system and surrounding is called the adiabatic wall. Wall that separates system and surrounding is known as adiabatic wall. So this is all about the short video of thermodynamics. Next we will study about the state of a system, means what state, we can say, position, orientation, we will see in the next video. This is the first part of the thermodynamics. Okay, so please like and subscribe my channel. I hope you like the video, and be continue to watch my video for the better purpose of your examination. Hope. Thank you. Bye.